Okay guys, today I've got a Samsung French door refrigerator with bottom pull-out freezer. Just want to show you that everything on it works good, no issues with it, and that it is in fact cooling like it's supposed to. Get this nice big capacity on the freezer and on the fridge. Open this up, let you take a look here. Nice and clean, it's been thoroughly cleaned inside, outside. You got the ice maker up here, drawers with different settings on them here, pull out tray down here. Pretty cool. Now all the details on how big it is, the dimensions, the capacity, all that are in the listing. So please take a second to read through the listing. The ice maker and water and all that works. I've already unhooked it and brought it out here to the garage, but I'll show you real quick that I left all the ice in there. So plenty of ice. There's probably not any water left in there, but no, there's no water left in there, but all that works, no problem at all. Now with the Samsungs, one thing I will mention is I will have a little thing printed up that I'll give with you, but you're supposed to do a forced defrost on the ice maker every couple months, or if it freezes up. A lot of people don't know how to do that, didn't read the owner's manual. But in there it specifically says you want to do that ever so often, or if the ice maker like freezes up or gets frosty, that kind of thing, which tends to happen on these guys. But it's real easy. You just hold two buttons for 12 seconds. It runs through about a 10-minute auto defrost cycle, and then it's good to go. So thought I'd mention that. Other than that, the one other thing on here, we actually have a whole home reverse osmosis filter, so I bypassed this here. So this is not actually hooked up to anything in there. It's real easy to put it back. The little piece is like 10 bucks on eBay, and you just take two of those hoses and plug it into the new piece. Super easy, and I can show you how to do that if you're interested. Otherwise, if you already have a filtration system hooked up, save yourself the money. You don't need to buy those filters, which was our case. So save myself that money every couple months. And I'll show you right here. It is in fact cooling. The freezer's at 0 and the fridge is at 37. And I've been opening and closing these. But I keep it right about 35. So let's see, the light works. Everything works on it. You can't see it out here in the garage, but just hold for 3 seconds on there. And there's a bunch of videos on YouTube that show exactly how this instrument cluster works and all that. And that's pretty much it though. Like I said, I just wanted you to get a good look at it. You know that when you take it home, plug it in, everything's going to work like it's supposed to. That's how I like to buy my stuff, so I do these videos so that you know. That's it. So thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.